national level lecture and civil society meeting titled The Question of Inclusion, Citizen, Census and Demography was held in Guwahati yesterday. The event was organized by People's Census Watch in collaboration with Exam Nagarik Samaj, Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation JFD Manipur and Human Rights Alert. Over 50 representatives from across India attended the conference. Speaking at the event, convener of Native People's Committee Manipur, Asankasar, raised strong concerns over demographic changes in the state. He highlighted the sharp rise in Kuki population, which grew from 41,262 in 1901 to 4,48,000 by 2011, which marks an unprecedented growth rate of 986%. Asankasar stated that this population surge is driven by illegal immigrants entering from Myanmar. Consequently, he urged authorities to update the National Register of Citizens (NRC) before conducting the upcoming 2027 census. Social activist Shanta Nahakbam spoke on the severe impacts of recent demographic shifts in Manipur. Now, meanwhile, JFD convener Jitendra Ningomba highlighted the plight of displaced persons following the violent crisis that erupted on May 3rd of 2023. He warned that if 2027 census proceeds without updating NRC first, non-indigenous populations could be wrongfully recorded as official Indian citizens. He added that failure to update NRC prior to census could trigger widespread public protest across Manipur.